Good afternoon mga kapipip, welcome to the grind and welcome to the vlog. First things first, let me take in the nice view sa aming munting mansyon, ginagawa pa. Tapos ang mansion namin. Wow! Today's vlog will be different. It's unboxing day. Alright. Ready na si Oppo Reno 5. Kaka-release niya lang daw ngayong araw. Kapag nag-pre-order ka, like I said, may free smartwatch sila. By the way, big shout out kay Ma'am Jess, Ma'am Gia, at saka kay Sir Aaron. Let's get down to business. I'll be discussing the Oppo Reno 5, kung gaano ba siya kaganda, gaano siya kabilis. And I'm going to compare it to my vlogging camera, which is iPhone 11. And ano bang silbi niya, or mas advanced ba siya, or is it worth it na you'll be replacing your iPhone 11 to this Oppo Reno 5 as a vlogging camera. So let's get started. By the way, big shoutout sa view na napakaganda. Ayos to. So let's get started with this iPhone.
Nani?
Let's get started with this Oppo Reno 5. It's been a long time since I'm using iPhone. That's why bukang bibig ko iPhone. Going to need a knife for this one. Or let me check if matulis ba yung susi ko. So walang knife. But still, we're going to unbox it. As you see, hindi pa siya na-unbox. Or na-unbox na. Sinunog lang ulit. We don't know. Anyway, let's see. So good. So ayan, nabuksan na. And ooh, nice looking. It's hard to open. Now, let's check first what's inside it. Uy, nalaglag yung cable niya. How many meter? I think it's 1 meter only. Let's see what's in it. So may pin din siya katulad ng iPhone. It has a silicone casing. And this is the phone itself. May earphone siya. This is a fast charger mga kapipip. And you can go 0 to 60 on this one in under 30 minutes. 15 to 30 minutes siya ang 0 to 60 niya. 15 minutes to be precise. Dun. Oof. Baka may gas-gas na ba? Wala, it's just me. And I think I'm gonna have to remove it. I'm not quite sure if it's a cover. I really hope it's a cover. Alam ko sticker to eh. Anyhow, ayan yung itsura ng Fantasy Silver mga kapipip. Ayan, made in China siya. So, countdown mga kapipip. Takes a little bit while. Proceed with English. Sabi nga daw nila kailangan ng select region. Bakit kailangan pa ng region? Grabe naman. Philippines right now. Alright. Whatever. I don't read all those kind of stuff. We'll do all those things later on. Mga kapipip, if you're going to compare it to the black, ayan. Yan yung Fantasy Silver niya. Different tones of colors siya. And maganda. Kakit-akit sa mata. I dig it. It's much more good looking. Para siyang sasakyan na nirap ng ilang tone. So ayan, it's having like as I see, it's having like 2 or 3 colors. It's having a hint of blue, orange, and pink. So far, yun pa lang yung nakikita ko. It's good looking. Para sa akin, it's good looking. Close it up a little bit para makita nyo yung ganda niya. So ayan, may orange siya. And may little bit of pink or carnation pink. Ayun, kapag lalabas na yung orange. So I like it. I dig the color. First things first. And if you're going to take a look on the camera, ayan. Medyo hindi naman siya flat. Hindi siya flat eh. Hindi flat yung camera. And ayun, medyo may pagkamaluwang pa. Ayan, may 64 megapixel siya na quad cam. Ganda. Hindi nga lang gaanong flat, but anyway, this is a cheap cell phone. It's half the price of the new iPhone 12 at the very least. And may 8 gig na siya na RAM. So what are you asking for? Anyway, another thing to mention, fingerprint proof daw siya. Sabi na nagbenta sa amin. By the way, big shoutout kay Ma'am Jess again. Ayan, fingerprint proof daw siya. Astigin to mga kapipi pa. So yun, ang disadvantage niya na masasabi ko is hindi siya waterproof. Unlike the new iPhones today, iPhone 7 Plus waterproof siya. Nag-start sila ng mag-waterproof ng iPhone nung panahon na yun. And I think this is a little bit bummer if you're going to consider na hindi siya waterproof. Anyway, like I said, when it comes to the pricing, it's really competitive. So another thing I considered why I bought this cell phone is yung RAM niya. You can open something heavy on this one. You can play games with this one. Sabi nga ng mga kaibigan ko, pwede daw ako mag-PUBG daw ulit dito. And I stopped PUBG because of my iPhone 11. Thing to consider is the front camera. It should be proper. It should be good. Kasi nga magbablog ka. Unlike my iPhone 11, the front camera of my iPhone 11 is not good. It's not beautiful. I don't think I'm gonna use this front camera. Mukhang hindi siya maganda. And then, masyado ako maputi. Masyado ako maputla tignan. And I think I'm gonna have to stick with the rear camera when vlogging as well. This is the main reason why I choose this phone. It's all because of the camera. I want a new vlogging camera that is cheap. Okay naman siya, not bad. And the color is much more better when it comes to iPhone. For now, For now. From what I see, much more better yung color niya. Tapos may mga colors din siya na pwede mong gamitin. So for less than 20,000 mga kapipip, it has the Oppo Reno 5 has some advantage. It has some outdated specs if you're going to ask me. But for me, it's alright for 20,000 pesos. It's a good buy kasi kung gagawin mo siyang vlogging camera, you can use it like a vlogging camera. Maganda siya. Ayos siya, panalo siya. And as you see, ayan o. Maganda yung footage na binibigay niya. Not as good as the iPhone though, pero I think I'm gonna use it as a vlogging camera. Mukhang malaki yung potential niya eh. So ayun mga kapipip, I'm using my iPhone right now. I attached this Reno 5 on my mobile 4. I don't think it's compatible with my Osmo Mobile 4. Ayan. Nadadama yung lock niya at saka yung volume niya. So this is a very promising camera mga kapipip. Kailangan lang talagang pag-aralan na mabuti, and kaka-receive ko lang sa kanya ngayon, kaka-release lang naman nila, kaya hindi ko pa napaglalaroan ng maigi. But I'll be playing with this camera very soon. Bigyan na rin ng input kung pwede ba talaga siyang vlogging camera, and pagpapalit ko na ba si iPhone 11 sa kanya. Marami kang mahanap dito sa more na maganda. Meron din siyang text scanner which is very practical. Tapos may extra HD din siya. I think it's for the photo. So ayan, may expert siya. I don't think I'm gonna use it. The dual video, I think I might use it in the future. The slow-mo, definitely I'm gonna use it. Magandang idea siya. The panoramic view, of course, I like shooting that way as well. Pero marami nga, yun nga, sa halagang less than 20,000 pesos only mga kapipip, marami kang magagamit sa kamerang ito. Video wise, because I'm vlogging all the time, maganda siya, ideal siya para sa akin, and I like the idea of this video. And ayan, may portrait mode din siya mga kapipip na nai-blur yung background para mapaganda mo. Meron ding portrait mode yung front camera, yung photo, I don't like it. Yung video, pwede bang pang vlog? I'm not quite sure yet. I haven't judged it yet. Mukhang maganda naman. 1080p. Yes, mukhang maganda naman siya. But I'm not quite sure if I'm going to use it. as a front camera for vlogging. Mas maganda kasi kapag maganda yung front camera mo because it allows you to see yourself when you're vlogging, and that's much more better. The video itself, para sa akin panalo na siya. I'm definitely going to buy it because of the video and nothing else. Siguro mga bonus na lang yung mga pinagbibigay nila, katulad ng 8GB RAM, which is high advantage. Maraming specs to na bonus mga kapipip if you're after on the video only. Yun lang yung masasabi ko. So ayun, I think I'm gonna have to use it like a vlogging camera, or I'm gonna use it on some slow-mo B-roll. Pwede din siya, magandang idea kasi may 960 frames per second siya, and may madadial in mo talaga yung mga movement na kailangan mong hagilapin. So that's it mga pipi. If you like this kind of content, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, still give it a thumbs up para sa kang self-esteem. And sa mga di pa nakapag-subscribe, hit that subscribe button. It's for free. Wala pong maniningil sa inyo. Mag-text o tatawag na marami na kayong utang. So that's it. Hanggang sa muli. Sa ulitin. See you next vlog. Peace! Panalo talaga yung kulay eh. Don't say it's a lady's phone mga kapipip. Maganda siya. Panalo yun. Damn. But I hate the chrome on the side. Pero kulay pa lang panalo. Kulay pa lang ng case ng phone panalo. I don't like the idea of the chrome kasi sooner or later tatanda din yan, and magiging madugyot din siya tingnan.